Hey, it's Brandon and Amy. We're here with WhyGolf, and we're talking about the alignment disc Lite. We're really excited about it. Really easy to use. You can take it to the golf course. Really light, very durable. You can smack it. You're not going to injure it. Amy, by the way, is going to show us how to fade the ball if you guys are struggling with a big hook.
Yeah, so when you guys receive your alignment disc Lite, you're actually going to have two of these discs, and we can kind of move them around to change our club path. So in this instance, I'm going to put it in my way, so I'm kind of going over this one and under this one. So the one behind is about 3/4 of a club length away from the ball and just slightly inside the ball here, probably right about there. So I have room to kind of swing over the top of that. And then this one, just slightly outside the ball, again, about 3/4 of a club length away. Just so I have room to swing under it. So when I try to hit this ball, hopefully I'll come a little bit more from outside to inside and hit a little fade.
Let's see it, Amy. Beautiful little cut shot.
Perfect. So for those of you that are struggling with hooking the ball, you're coming from the inside too much, this is a really easy way to set it up and change that club path.
Super great teaching tool for you guys. Have fun.